Hello guys, welcome to my How YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you on how to manage and install applications using your Android phone. So at first, you will be able to see it in there, the applications, and you can just go ahead and hit settings, and you can just take a look on the option more settings, and right after that you will be able to see applications. So hit applications, and the first one you'll need to hit the installed applications. So it will load, and you will see it in there, the applications that you have on your phone, and you can just go ahead and choose on the applications that you really wanted to uninstall. So just like for example, I wanted to uninstall my inspirational stories application. So you will be able to see the four-step option in the uninstall, and hit uninstall, and you will be asked if do you want to uninstall this application. So you'll need to click OK if you wanted to uninstall, and that's already good to go. You already have successfully uninstalled the application. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.